World's first 3D printed model named after Shah Rukh Khan. Badshah Khan Shah Rukh, who has his birthday on November 2nd, got a birthday present from his team Red Chillies. That too late, but no matter, as SRK is loving it. A life-size 3D printout of Shah Rukh Khan is what the actor got as a birthday gift from his team. The company has honored the Happy New Year star with the world's first life-size 3D printed model in his signature romantic pose. Overwhelmed, SRK flooded his Twitter with updates. Congrats, Shah Rukh, you truly deserve it.